Okay, what's up, YouTube? Please do not mind me looking crazy. So it is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I don't know if somebody's in that car staring at me or not, but I don't have time. So I went to Dollar Tree to get my mama some gifts. I got her some balloons. I got her 5 because she got 5 kids. And then I got some flowers and stuff. I don't do real flowers. So, and she already knows that. So I'm about to set up her gift using some fake flowers and stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna flip y'all around so y'all can see. The angle's terrible. I got y'all just sitting up in my car. So this is the vase, and I got these, and I'm about to put these inside of the vase, and then I got some other stuff that I'm gonna put around the vase, like some little pebbles or something. I don't know. I think that's what they call. Y'all see it. Y'all about to see. Hold up. Let me take these out, because I'm gonna stick the... Oh, and I'm in my work car, by the way, because I had to put gas in it before tomorrow morning, since I'll be rushing probably to go to work. I'm late every day, but they know I'm coming, so they don't call me. They just wait till I get there. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do that like so, and everywhere. So I got clear pebbles, and then, well, glass gems. I keep saying pebbles. I got some glass gems, and then I got... Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. And then I got the blue ones. So now I'm about to try to pour those inside of the vase. And I'm gonna probably flip y'all around for that. Okay, y'all, please do not judge my car, but yeah, so I'm about to start putting these... Oh, wait a minute now. Don't start getting crazy. I'm about to start pouring these in here. So here we go. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy. Yeah, I'm gonna stop and come back. So yeah. Okay, so this is how it's looking. And now that I got the clear ones, I see I should have just got all blue, because I like the way the blue looks better. And I feel like the blue is gonna go better with the flowers, but I tried to make it look like water, so that's why I mixed them. But yeah, should have just went ahead and did all blue. Here is the flowers. Yes, yes. Okay, we about to start placing these in here. So y'all, this is the finished results, and it is so cute. I know my mama gonna love it, because for one, my mama gonna love anything I give her. But yeah, this is a lot better than that homemade card I was gonna make her. So yeah, I already know she about to be happy.